All right, it's behind the scenes of our renovation part 3. So if you haven't watched the first 2 episodes yet, please go back and check those out. We are renovating currently a couple of properties, and I am going back to check on our contractors as we are wrapping up construction. So if you've watched the first 2 episodes, you know what work was involved in these. They needed to be a lot of new drywall, roofing, new siding, new kitchens, vanities, you name it. They needed quite a bit of work, and we spent, I think, upwards of close to $20,000 on the unit that I'm about to show you again to see how it's come across the finish line. So let's go and check it out. But again, if you haven't watched the first 2 parts, then this will be totally out of context for you. So go back and check those out. And I should make mention, the one unit next door that we saw last week or a couple of weeks ago in the second part video is now rented with a Section 8 tenant in the property, and I'm super excited about that. She's in a wheelchair, and we're going to be building her a ramp out front when it got a little bit of warmer weather. So we're going to build a nice little ramp, a cement ramp for her on the unit. So she has moved in, and I couldn't be more excited. That's how this goes. So now this other unit, the second side of this building, is wrapping up now, and then we should be able to have this one rented very, very soon. And there she is. Look at all the siding. Done, done, done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Just some last minute siding on the front here to wrap up. We are coming across the finish line. All right, here we are outside the property. The outside, now that we've got warmer weather, we can actually get some work done on these window sills. So they'll be scraping these and capping these off. Pressure washing up here and finishing on the siding, but the siding looks great, coming together. So they left this uncapped right now, so we've got to finish that. All the flooring is in on the inside. We'll go in there in a minute. Here's a lot of construction debris. You now got to get out of here. So they put the proper drip edge up here. So what's great is once the inside is done, we can get all of the inside done on this property. We can get a tenant in there, and now with the warmer weather, we can finish the outside and get this exterior work completed. You got to watch out for roofing nails. Roofing nails. All right, here we are on the inside. These cabinets about to be installed. Sink base. All the new flooring is in. Countertops on the floor, ready to go in. All painting done. The smell of fresh paint. What do we have remaining on here? Put the new vanity in. And the new tub surround as well will go in. So we are coming down to the end of the wire here. All the new windows. So we got the new windows in. Great, new door ready to go in. New fixtures. So we're probably about a week away or so from having this one wrapped up. And it looks like I just heard from the team that they already have a tenant ready to go who's interested in moving into this property. So as soon as we get these switch plates finished, we have to update the amount of electrical, put in the new electrical, switch plates, new medicine cabinet, new vanity cabinets. This one will be ready to go. Okay, so again, tenant has already moved in on this side. Tenant about to move in on the other side once this work is complete. So windows, siding almost wrapping up, and of course capping, making sure the drip edge is on here, cleaning up the yard. Putting in that ramp. Oh yeah, I'll show you the ramp. So we're gonna put in a ramp right here, because this woman is in a wheelchair in this unit. And instead of just putting a ramp on one half, I said, let's make a ramp for the whole thing and put a nice handrail in between it. So this one is nearly done. For all intents and purposes, this is signed, sealed, and delivered, and I couldn't be more happy considering what this used to look like before we got our hands on it. On to the next one. Here's the other one we are working on right now. This one's really coming together. So new roof, siding is done. Guys out here working on the kitchen stuff. Hear the sounds of hammers and nails. Hey, how's it going, guys? Hey guys. Nice warmer weather for you, huh? Yeah. Looking great. It's like 60 degrees today, so that's a heck of a lot better. Let's go inside, check out this kitchen coming together. New downspouts, which will go up. Cabinets updated and painted. These were nice wood cabinets, so there's no reason to replace that. Just putting on all new hardware. That's what I did on my very first flip. My very first flip was hardwood cabinets with new hardware.
Just replace that broken one in there.
Oh yeah, that one's broken, so that one gets an update.
Scratch on the bottom, I think it's right there on the bottom.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because the track was broken. Yeah.
It was the glass.
Oh yeah, yeah.